Hello again and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. And today we're going to look at Hymn 5 or Song 5. Lea li'ie, lea tuai, my Lord, my God. Let's take a quick listen to the tune.
Lea li'ie, lea tuai, le fai mea e mawhai. Au ngā luenga e lelei, matou te ofoai. E o mai hunga atunu, e I foia te oe, au walo malo filemu, ua whatu I nā mai. E o mai uma atunu, e I foia te oe, a walo malo filemu, ua whatu I nā mai.
So that's 5. Lea li'ie, lea tuai, my Lord, my God. The title takes us back to what Thomas said to Jesus. And if you recall the story, Thomas didn't believe at first that Jesus had risen from the grave. And when Jesus showed himself to Thomas, he invited Thomas to come touch his hands and his side. And of course, Thomas cried out, my Lord, my God. We go to the next line. Le fai me e mawhai, who created things that are possible. And that makes sense because God or Jesus doesn't create things that are illogical. So for instance, he doesn't create a rock so heavy that he himself can't lift it. Those are just mere distractions from the truth. And of course, God can't do things that are inconsistent with his holy nature. He can't lie, for instance, and he can't steal. I mean, what can he steal? He owns everything. He created everything. And that's what the next two lines say. Au ngā luenga e lelei, your works are good. Matou te ofoai, we stand in awe of them. And that takes us to verse 4, which is the song's refrain. E o mai umatunu, e I foia te oe. All nations will come and bow or worship before you. Why? Because he is Lord. And that's consistent with what Paul said. Every knee shall bow, and every tongue confess that Jesus is Lord. And that's the truth from this song. Lea li'ie, lea tuai, my Lord, my God. So until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.